Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Snapchat notifications. So how you can do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your Bitmoji. And here you'll find the option of notification. If you can't find it in here, what you can do is just to go back, head over to your settings of your Android phone. And here go to search, and here search for notifications. Now go to this notification section, and here go to app notifications. It's currently filtered to all, so here search for your Snapchat. Scroll down till you find it. Here, as you can see, I have turned it off. If on your phone it is turned on, just turn it off. So yeah, in this way your Snapchat notifications are turned off. Hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video.